Welcome back to NIEL. I am Prakshi Mendiratta back again with one more video that is all about smart phrases with call. कॉल का नॉर्मली मतलब होता है कि या तो फ़ोन पे बात करना या फिर किसी को बुलाना, बट these are the not only meanings of it. So here we have some phrases starting with call. Let's dive into this lecture. But before that, I would like you people to jot down it. So carry your notebook and a pen with you. The first one we have is give me a call. मुझे call कर देना. Please contact me by phone. Like imagine whenever you have some doubt from your trainers and you ask from them, तो क्या बोलते हैं? It's okay, पढ़ लेना. अगर कोई doubt हो तो हमें call कर देना. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Next we have call it a day. To decide to stop working or doing something. उस चीज़ को रोक देना decide करके. Example, we have been working all day. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Now we have call the shots. Call the shots simply means जो उस important decisions को लेता हो. To make decision or be in a control. Example, as the manager, it's my job to call the shots and lead the team. Now we have call off. Call off means उस चीज़ को वहीं पर ही रोक देना, end कर देना. To cancel or stop something. Example, due to weather conditions, we had to call off the outdoor event. और you must have seen कि जब offices में strike हो रही होती है और वो एकदम से रोक दी जाए. So it is said like this that they have called off the strike. Now we have call for. Call for means to require or demand something. In Hindi you must have word यार ये party तो बनती है ना. जो हम बोलते हैं बनती है, we say call for. Like imagine one of your friends is there जो बहुत अच्छे नंबरों से पास हुए. So you can say this calls for the party. Here one more example we have. The situation calls for immediate action to prevent any further damage. Now we have calling it like it is. जो जैसा है उसे वैसे ही बोला जाना. Meaning speaking honestly and directly without sugarcoating. Example, she is known for calling it like it is and never sugarcoating the truth. Now we have call someone's bluff. Means to challenge someone to prove their claim or intentions. Example, he said he could do it, but I called his bluff and asked him to demonstrate. Let's have a look on the next one. Call on. To visit or contact someone. किसी से संपर्क में आना या उनके पास जाना. Example, I need to call on my neighbor to borrow a cup of sugar. Now we have call out. To confront or challenge someone's behavior. किसी को उसके मुंह पर बोलना कि ये चीज़ तुमने करी है, confront कर लेना, आमना सामना कर लेना. Example, she called out her co-worker for being disrespectful during the meeting. Now we have call it quits. To decide to stop or end something. Example, after years of struggling, they finally decided to call it quits and close their business. जब business अच्छा ना चल रहा हो, दो लोगों में ना बन रही हो, तो वो उसे छोड़ देना prefer करते हैं. So that time you can say call it quits. Now we have call to mind. To remember or bring something to one's attention. किसी के mind में या किसी के notice में वो चीज़ लाना. Example, her story calls to mind a similar experience I had a few years ago. Now we have on call. Available and ready to respond or assist if needed. अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो वहाँ पे वो इंसान का रिस्पॉन्स देना या वहाँ पे अवेलेबल रहना. Example, the doctor is on call tonight in the case of emergencies. Last but not the least, we have call in sick. Call in sick simply means to inform an employer that you will not be coming to work due to illness. Like most of us, we are working. अगर कभी भी हमें छुट्टी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो हम उन्हें बोलते हैं कि आज हम नहीं आ रहे हैं. So that time we say call in sick. Example, I am not feeling well today, so I need to call in sick. So guys, do remember these phrases as it will help you to speak fluent English with some spice in it. See you in the next video.